Hello everyone, welcome to Zion Traders YouTube channel. On this channel I share my directional bias and I share my trading journey with you guys. Right, so without wasting much of our time, let's get into today's video. So as you can see right here, this is DXY dollar benchmark asset for dollar index. So before we get into today's video, today's technical analysis, I would love us to check the fundamentals we have for the week, which is the news, the events that are going to take place during the week. So it's very important that we start from there. So we'd love to know what is going to happen during the week, the news events that are going to take place, because the days that news events are taking place, they are really which is high impact news. They are going to be very volatile because liquidity had moved into the market, and then it makes the market very volatile, right? So as you can see, we have a news event Tuesday, Wednesday, and on Thursday there is CPI for June. So guys, we know that on Wednesday or Thursday is going to be very volatile. I personally, I'm not sure I'm going to be trading that day. So but for Wednesday, the news event, they are quite okay, and I do trade them. But for Thursday, this CPI, I'm not going to trade it. Alright, so we know that on Thursday on Thursday it's going to be very volatile, and that's when we'll be expecting a CPI. So what's my bias, what's my take for the week, guys? So before we do anything, I would love us to go to a weekly time frame, and let's just say, guys, so as you can see right here on the weekly time frame, we can see that price traded to fill up. There is an imbalance here. This is weekly fair value gap. Price has filled it up, and we can see that price is at this order block, right? So on the daily time frame, that's where price is sitting on right now on the daily time frame. So what we love to see this week, personally myself, I would love to see price during the week. I would love to see price fill up, trade higher to fill up all these imbalance on the daily time frame, and trading up to fill up all of these imbalance on the daily time frame, guys. This is my expectation for the week. So during the week, I would love to see price just do this, trade higher, and if at all he wants to continue trading lower, but then he should trade higher during this week at least, to fill up all of this void. Perhaps if it fills it up between now and Thursday, we might love to see dollar, which is CPI, push price downwards. That might likely happen, right? So but during the week, I would love to see this guy move higher, right? So that's what I'm looking at, guys. So what am we looking at on Monday? Monday is just few minutes to Monday. So on Monday, I'll be looking at buying. So I can see that price has filled up this imbalance right here, right? So in confluence with this weekly imbalance, I'm really going to look for buy. So in the morning, so during London section, London open, so we can see right here, hopefully before London key zone, this volume gap or imbalance will be filled, right? So and I would actually love to see price trade lower during the London section there, because I would love to buy at the London low, at the Asia low, and then take the buy to the upside, right? So that's what I'm looking to see, right, happen on Monday. So I'm looking to see this buy start picks up on Monday. Price might even decide to consolidate the whole of Monday, and then on Tuesday we'll see expansion to the upside. But then what I'm looking at the buy, whether it takes place, it happens on Monday or it doesn't happen. But my bias is still bullish, right, on DXY. So let's quickly go to GBPUSD. You know, guys, I trade GBPUSD. I would love us to come right here. So this is GBPUSD, guys. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's start from the weekly time frame, guys. So as we can see right here, we know that this bullish engulfing candle, this bullish weekly engulfing candle, it actually means a lot, guys, because uh it belong price close with a candle body above this level, you can see, guys. So this actually means the bullishness in dollar index, right? Sorry, in GBPUSD. It means GBPUSD is really bullish, right? So this is actually what it means. So most likely price might likely take out all of these highs, right? They take out all of the liquidity residing at all of these above these highs, and eventually come trade here in near future. It's not going to happen right now, maybe a couple of weeks or months. So that's going to happen. So we can see that we have a bullish engulfing candle on the weekly time frame. This actually means a lot, guys. Looking at where it's happening, right? So that's actually, it means a lot, guys. So we can see right here, we are, though we are still, price has traded back into what, this resistance level is a very strong level. That's like literally it was taken out 2024 March, but then look at how price has, like, this guy has been here bouncing around this region. I think December period price was just consolidated, January price was consolidated around this region, and then even for May and the whole of June price was literally consolidating, failed to take out this high, and the price traded below, traded into this fair value gap here to fill up this, to traded into this imbalance here. And most likely, guys, I'm watching to see price take out this high. However, for the week, for this very week, and though GBPS is very bullish, but because I'm anticipating a buy for the dollar, I'm anticipating a sell for GBPUSD. Maybe from Monday to Thursday, and during the news, which is CPI, during CPI on Thursday. So probably CPI could be like, it could take and could make GBPUSD to break above this high, right? Probably it could, and which is that, I think it could probably, that is a game of probability, right? So it could probably happen, which is making GBPUSD to break up above this high, because before GBPUSD will be able to take out this high, it really needs a lot of buy prayers, right? Need a lot of buy prayers to be able to take out this high. So, and I believe that CPI will be able to handle that, right? However, for the week, because of this, there are going to be some sellers around this region here. This is a strong resistance level. So, and because of that, for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I would love to see GBPUSD retrace to fill up all the imbalance here, the liquidity void, as you can see right here, and then before we start trading higher. Are you guys getting it? So this could take some days. It won't just happen in one single day. You know how price moves, right? Price will just be moving zigzagly, like this, just slowing down, and then before you see a push, right? So that's actually what I'm anticipating. I'm anticipating that GBPUSD will be bearish for some days, and then before this bullish move continues. This bearishness is actually a retracement, right? So that's what I'm looking at, guys. This bearishness is a retracement into these levels, right? So I'm looking at GU trading into this level. If you, let's go to our daily time frame, we're going to see, let's mark out this very imbalance here, and this is a fair value gap, and I would love to see price trade back into these levels, right? So this for me, this is a breaker block, right? So in confluence with this our fair value gap, we have our other block right here as well. So we have our breaker block, other block, fair value gap. So this is a very strong level that I'm looking at price trading in back into, and then from there we would love to see expansion to the upside, right? So I will position myself for a sell on Monday. Probably if this sell is respected on Monday, maybe on Tuesday the same thing, on Wednesday, and maybe Thursday. I'm actually not going to trade on Thursday. I'm going to watch what price is going to do during CPI. If price is going to literally come take out this high, right? Price come and take out this high, or price will violate this low and continue trading downward. I don't know what price is going to do, but whatever price does, we just follow the lead. So guys, that's just it. So for DXY, let's come over here. DXY, I pretty told you guys that I was watching to see this low taken out or this low before I start looking for a sell, right? So right now the lows has been taken out. What I'm waiting for is for all of this to be traded into. We see a change of character here, we see a market structure shift right here, and I would love to price come, because there are a lot of internal range liquidity right here for price to trade into to balance, right? So we can see this is one of them. We have what, a mitigation block right here. We have a fair value gap right here, and which is an imbalance. However, I would love to see price, if price is, it really has a bullish, like the bullish momentum is strong, it could trade taking out the liquidity residing above this little low high you are seeing here, and then trading into this other block and then selling, but most likely this zone has more, if price is like, it really doesn't have much buy momentum, buy pressure, it likely might not take out, it might likely reverse, like start expanding to the downside from here, guys. So that's pretty what I'm looking at. But however, I want you to know that, look at what price has done. I want you to know that price is sitting at a weekly order block, which could mean that price will start retracing from here, or it will even reverse from there. But then I'm actually looking at retracement, not reversal, because on the daily time frame we have seen that price has changed character, which is the market structure has shifted to be a bearish market structure. So that's just it for now, guys. So for the week, during the week, I'm expecting between Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm expecting bullishness in the market in DXY and bearishness on GBPUSD, and then maybe on Thursday, if price really wants to continue bearish, I would love to see that CPI being going bearish, right? So, but then if price refuse to buy, maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so on Thursday we might likely see CPI, watch CPI buy on the DXY, buy, right, to fill up the imbalance, the volume gaps, sorry, the imbalance that has been created on the daily time frame. So if price refuse to buy before the news, so we might likely see the news could likely be a buy, right? So that's just what I'm looking at, guys. Technically, so this is not, I'm not trying to predict what CPI is going to be, but technically this is what I'm looking at, right? So let's quickly check gold before we move. Gold has been playing tricks with me. You can see I took a trade there and I lost it. God has done me dirty. I also took a trade there, you guys remember, and I lost it. So two straight winning, lost trade after winning, having a win on this trade. I've lost pretty two trades now on DXY, and I actually took two trades last week, which is on both on gold. God is doing me dirty, guys. Alright, so as you can see, I already outlined, I'm ready for the week, everything is set, right? So what I'm potentially looking at, actually, on I was looking at DXY, gold selling into this fair value gap and other block right here, but then it failed, and then we can see that gold is seriously bullish, and I really don't want us to joke with this. um, Probably retracement could happen, but guys, I'm really not going to force this retracement to happen. It should happen whenever it wants to happen. However, if retracement, I want you guys to see something here, guys. There's a fair value here, although it has been tested before, but the price could test it again and then make gold to start retracing right into the internal range liquidity. But then if that doesn't happen and price succeeds in getting to this other block, since other block has not been mitigated before, it could make the gold to start retracing to fill up the imbalance that has been left, right? So on the daily time frame, right? However, from where it is right now, if DXY is going to be bullish for the week, that's actually what I'm anticipating. If DSI is going to be bullish, it therefore means that gold is actually going to start retracing, right, to fill up the imbalance, right, to fill up all of these voids, right. So probably I really don't know where gold is going to trade retrace into. It could get here and reverse, and it could also want to take out liquidity residing below these lows and then trade into this fair value gap that I've already outlined. So I'm going to just leave everything. So you could take out the liquidity residing below this low, and it could respect it as well. Sorry guys, I just missed something. And it could respect it as well. Control. Oh gosh, I'm doing something else. All right, so let me just leave that. So it could respect it, and it can also decide not to respect it. So I'm actually not going to drop daily bias until next week. I'll be sharing with you guys my weekly bias for now, right? So not daily bias, and sometimes I will actually do daily bias. What my daily bias is that if what I'm anticipating for the week, after if it doesn't go like as I anticipate, so if I see other formation, what the market is saying something different, so I'll just drop a video to update you guys, right? If it doesn't do this just what I'm expecting, so I will certainly update you guys on what is going on and what is likely to happen next, guys. All right guys, so thank you very much for watching, and I really appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video. And please, if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel and like this video. Drop a comment on the comment section, and guys,